Guys, I will show you how to sync your Arc browser with all devices and check for updates, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, first of all, open Arc browser in your desktop and just head over to this icon, Arc browser settings on the top left sidebar. Click on it and click check for updates to start checking Arc browser for available updates. Update is available, just click to download update to start updating on Arc browser. Wait for the update to download and that's it. So to sync now your Arc browser across all devices, click on the settings of Arc browser again and head over to settings. And here you find sidebar sync. Click on to start syncing your data with Arc browser and in your Arc browser sidebar. Pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe